Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. Right now we're going to be starting a new series of videos. In the previous videos we were checking out a software called Synesthesia. Now we're starting with a software called Pictory. As you're seeing on screen right now, Pictory is an AI software that is used to create videos. You can do that a bunch of different ways. You're seeing some of the options on screen right now. You can use text, you can use URL, you can use images. You can use PowerPoint presentations as well, similar to what we were doing with Synesthesia, but Pictory has some other different functionalities, and all in all, it lets you turn content into professional quality videos. If you haven't checked out the previous videos about the other different softwares, I really invite you to go to the channel and check them out so you are up to speed with what we've discussed in this channel previously. And today we're gonna be checking out some of the functionalities that the software has. We're just gonna dip our toes into what this software does, but we're gonna be creating a bunch of different videos about this software as well to further analyze all of the different things that you can do with it. As always, I'm gonna make my face disappear so you can see my screen a bit better, and I'll see you guys in the end. So this is Pictory. Once you've logged in, it offers you a tour if you wanna check out how the software works. But as I was telling you just some seconds ago, there are some options on the top right here. You can use the text to video tool, you can use a URL, you can edit video using AI, you can use images to create video, you can use PowerPoint presentations to make a video as well, and you can record yourself and your screen to create videos as well. Here are some projects that the software suggests and a tab that says Discover. In this first video, we're going to be using the text to video tool. If we click on it right now, you can write a text right here, or you can let the AI give you an idea for you to start your video making process. In this first video, I'm just gonna copy a part of a blog that I really like. This is a blog about bikes. It is called Bike Snob New York City. It has been publishing since 2007, and these are the blog posts that the writer has uploaded. I'm gonna use this one that is called Brakes All or Nothing, and I'm just gonna copy a part of the blog post and copy it right here. You can add a title. I'm just gonna use the bike blog title, and just to show you how the software works, I'm just gonna leave the script as is. You could also write your own text, obviously, or you can once again create it with AI or change the way that the text is looking. If you select all of the text and you click on rephrase, shorten, lengthen, or change tone, you can change the way that the original text looks. I'm just gonna change the tone to a bit of a storytelling tone, and you can click this option right here. And Pickford, that is the mascot of Pictory, is gonna change the script. You can click this option right here that says replace script, and this would be the new script that we have. You can also rephrase it if you wanna change the way that the text is looking. And as I told you just some seconds ago, if you click this option right here that says start with an idea, you can just write a topic that you want to emphasize on. You can choose the platform in which the video is going to be published. You can choose the length as well. And then the software will generate the script for you. Once everything's looking all right in the script, you can change the format of the final video, 16:9 if you want to publish it, let's say on YouTube. 9:16 if you want to publish it as a short format video in Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, or 1:1 if you want to repurpose it in different platforms. You can create a brand using the software as well if you want to use logos, fonts, and specific colors, let's say. In this part, you can specify if you want to create scenes on different sentences, if you want to create scenes on line breaks as well, if you want to highlight some keywords with AI, and if you want to select visuals with AI. Right here it says the estimated duration of the final video is 1 minute and 2 seconds. And once everything's looking like you want it to be, you can just click on generate video, and the software is going to take a couple of seconds creating the video for you. So after some seconds, the software creates this outline. It divides the script into scenes. It created 11 different scenes with the script that we created. Right here on the bottom, we have the different scenes. You can add transitions between the scenes, And as the software was telling us previously, it emphasized on different words right here, the ones that are in bold, and on the captions they look yellow, so they are emphasized on the final video as well. You can click on this option right here to preview the scenes before you create the video. This would be scene number 1. Let's check out scene number 2. Right now they don't have audio, but if you wanted to add audio, you could click on this option right here, and you can select from a bunch of different voices for your video to have a speaking voice as well. You can also add visuals if you want to change the way that each scene looks. You can change it from a bunch of different media that is on the library of Pictory. You can change the way that the text looks, and you can add text to the different scenes. You can add different elements as well, such as these logos and basic forms. You can add styles as well if you want to change the way that the text looks on the video. For example, if I choose this one, it would be something like this. And you can add branding once again if you have a logo or if you have some colors or styles that are specific to your brand. You can show or hide the closed caption, the text. If you use this option, you could upload a voiceover using your voice. You can use AI voice, or you can record a voice directly while the video is playing. For example, if I click this record voiceover option, and if I click right here, I can allow the microphone to work on the web page. Just yesterday, I found myself reflecting on the current state of sporting bicycles. And if I click on save, it's gonna be added to the scene. And we have a couple of options with the audio. If I click on apply, I can add it to the entire video, or I can add it to the current scene. I'm just gonna add it to the current scene, and it would look something like this. Just yesterday, I found myself reflecting on the current state of sporting bicycles. So it is a bit more professional if you add voiceover to the videos. You can do that with each specific scenes, or you could use the AI to add voiceover for you. Once everything's looking like you want it to be, you can click on preview video or to download the video. I'm just gonna click on preview video, so the software renders all of the scenes together and we can check out how they look. Just yesterday, I found myself reflecting on the current state of sporting bicycles. As you see, creating a video is really easy. The software took less than 10 minutes to create the outline and then to add the media that describes the script. As you saw, recording voiceover is really easy and fast as well if you want to create the video that way. And as always, in the editor, you can further edit specific scenes so they look exactly how you wanted them to be. That's pretty much how you create a really fast and concise video using text in Pictory, and you can record your own voice to further emphasize the things that are said in the scenes, or you can use AI voices, or you can, for example, record the voiceover in your cell phone and then upload it to the software so the video looks a bit more professional and polished as well. I want to read all of your comments down below if you've used this software or if you're going to be trying it out. I really hope this was helpful for you guys. Once again, my name is Santiago, and without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.